Gann theory and techniques. Unveiling complexities for precise price predictions. Introduction. Gann theory, developed by legendary trader W.D. Gann, is a unique and intricate approach to technical analysis that combines geometry, time, and price to forecast market trends and reversals. For advanced Forex traders, delving into Gann theory opens doors to a deeper understanding of market movements. In this segment, we will explore the complexities of Gann theory, focusing on time-price squares, fan lines, and how to leverage these techniques for more accurate price predictions in the Forex market. Gann's core principles. Gann's theory is based on foundational principles that guide his analysis. Law of vibration. Gann believed that markets follow predictable patterns and cycles based on vibrations in the universe. Law of natural resistance and support. Certain price levels act as natural resistance and support due to mathematical ratios. Time-price squares. Time-price squares, or Gann squares, are a fundamental tool in Gann theory that combines time and price to identify potential turning points. Construction. Gann squares are constructed by drawing squares on the price chart, with each side representing a specific unit of time and price. Key levels. Price intersections within Gann squares are considered significant support and resistance levels. Gann fan lines. Gann fan lines extend from a significant high or low and radiate at specific angles to forecast future price movement. Angles. Gann identified key angles such as 1 times 1, 45 degrees, 1 times 2, 26.25 degrees, and 2 times 1, 63.75 degrees, each with its unique significance. Fan intersections. Points where Gann fan lines intersect with other technical tools or patterns indicate potential reversals. Applying Gann techniques. Advanced traders can leverage Gann theory to enhance their Forex trading strategies. Price and time projections. Combine Gann squares with Fibonacci ratios to project potential price and time targets. Fan line confluence. Look for confluence between Gann fan lines and other technical indicators such as trend lines or moving averages. Cycle analysis. Apply Gann's concept of cycles to identify repeating patterns in the Forex market. Gann theory and complex patterns. Advanced Gann traders delve into complex patterns that involve multiple techniques. Gann swings. Identify swing highs and lows to draw fan lines and other Gann tools, enhancing trend analysis. Squares of 9. Utilize this technique for intraday trading by identifying key price levels using numerical patterns. Limitations and continuous learning. Gann theory can be intricate and subjective, requiring constant learning and adaptation. Complexity. Gann's techniques involve multiple tools and angles, making analysis more intricate. Subjectivity. Interpretation of Gann angles and levels can vary among traders. Historical analysis and pattern recognition. Practice Gann analysis on historical data to refine your skills and recognize recurring patterns. Application in confluence. Gann techniques gain strength when aligned with other technical tools, such as Fibonacci retracements, candlestick patterns, and support resistance zones. Patience and confirmation. As with any technical analysis approach, confirmation from other indicators and price action is crucial before making trading decisions. Conclusion. Gann theory's complexities offer advanced Forex traders a unique perspective on market movements. By mastering time-price squares, fan lines, and other Gann techniques, traders can enhance their ability to predict potential price reversals and trends. However, remember that Gann theory requires a dedicated commitment to learning, practice, and adaptation. While it might not be a universal solution for every market condition, Gann theory's integration with other technical tools can significantly enhance trading accuracy and provide deeper insights into the dynamic world of Forex trading.